Hi, Marala. This is Jacob. Jacob, this is Marala. Tropa namin ni Timmy. Nagbibilyar kami with Jacob. Picture tayo.
Okay.
So, meron na ako mag-video.
Yes. Natalo niya kami.
Carlita, Sarah, and JC.
Jake!
Kinilig din ba kayo?
Ay, ikaw.
Dito kasi!
Kasama ka.
Yeah, sobrang nag-enjoy po akong panoorin. Napakaganda pala ng vertical serye, no? Buti na lang, may more pa! Congrats talaga, Miss P and BT Play. And sana nag-enjoy kayong panoorin ng Saving Sarah dahil kinilig ako, naiyak ako as you can see sa TV. At,
May secret
ewan ko,
sa-
pinakilig din ako nito
Tsaka si Timmy naman yung after mo, yung horror.
Oh my God. Ako na nga!
Oo.
Wala ako. Pero sobrang nag-usap kami sa gilid. Sabi ko, grabe pala yun. No? Nakakilig din pala tayo. And sobrang thank you, Miss P, sa opportunity na to.
Exactly.
Thank you, Direk Bali, sa pagkain niyo sa amin. Sobrang thankful ako sa inyo kasi kahit hirap na hirap kami, hindi niyo kami pinabayaan. Salamat po
So,
sa inyo.
4 times 2.
Sana hindi pa tayo muli, sana marami pa. Ayun. And sana po supportahan po natin tong movie, series na tong Saving Sarah at saka sa mga susunod pang episodes. Kasi marami pa kayong aabangan dito, hindi lang yung Saving Sarah at marami pa.
May clip
Yun po.
May 2 seasons pa yun.
Hello po. Ako maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta, dumalo para i-celebrate itong Saving Sarah. At sana po, supportahan niyo po lahat ng Bitsy. Gagawin po ng Bitsy Play. At nagpapasalamat po kami syempre sa Bitsy Play kay Ate Pia at kay Direk Bali. At sa lahat po ng bumubuo, maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat.
Nagtanggal siya ng words kasi. Ayos.
As a mean represent, thank you so much, Miss Pia, and to the directors and producers for trusting me, because this is my first series after my postpartum. So thank you so much for trusting me. At sana ma-enjoy niyo po yung mga more of the vertical series na i-release ng BC Play. Thank you.
Kamusta si Tito Joel?
Grabe, si
Nasa
Roller
Singapore?
Italianos. Si Roller Coaster of Emotion. Naku ako, opening pa lang hanggang sa uli. Congrats, Direk. Saka sa the whole team, Bitsy, thank you so much. We're so honored na naging part kami ng first film ng Bitsy. Thank you very much. Thank you. Marami pa, no? Marami pa tayong abangan. Salamat po.
Di ba ang ganda?
Baby girls, una sa lahat,
Yan, nasa
pasalamat
dugo.
po ako at sinamahan niyo kami ngayong gabi. Maraming
Yung daddy
salamat
mo
po
nasa
sa pagdalo
Singapore.
ninyo. And maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Saving Sarah, especially Miss Pia, to the producers, direct. Ang haba ng dialogue namin, grabe yung intense yung emotion ng Arellano. Pero nagpapasalamat po ako at nabigyan kami ng opportunity para i-play yung role na for yung family as Arellano. Together with JC and Yuki and the rest of the cast. So, ngayon pa lang, congratulations.
Nakita mo si Max
And
recently?
also, abangan pa po natin yung
Simula
mga iba
nung
pa po nilang
nakita tayo ng, ay,
palabas
shit
talaga.
talaga.
Thank you so much. And of course, Direk Bali, can you say something? Please?
Bakit bahay kami? Timmy and I live
Buti na lang dumating yung mga
Spanish house.
tita chismosas dito, mention dito. Yes, thank you everyone sa gabi nito. Thank you at nakarating kayong lahat.
Yeah, after
Nag-effort kayo para panoorin yung ginawa namin. And kung ano pa yung gusto kong sabihin, actually nasabi ko na naman kanina, siguro gusto ko lang talaga mag-thank you, pero magtutuloy pa talaga nung sasabihin ko. Siyempre walang iba, kundi yung writer, kundi si Mark Amos.
Thank you. Tomorrow pa lang.
Kaya pasasalamatan
Tomorrow
ko
yung
the people behind Bitsy Play. This is a new, fascinating platform for all of us. So nandito lahat, ang daming mga directors, producers, na nandito. This is our new creative hub. Okay? Ito, maganda to. Walang franchise. Hindi tayo mapapakailangan
Oh,
masyado
favorite nila
sa
yun.
Kongreso.
Kapitbahay namin sila.
uh,
Nagbibilyar kami with women's family.
we hope
And
that
yung
this could
favorite
be
ng kuya
the
niya,
creative
Red
hub.
Horse. Pero yung tawag ng
Sir
kuya
Jobs,
niya sa Red
Sir
Horse,
Jobs,
Red
ang mga
Horse.
founders ng Bitsy Play, si Sir Chris,
Diba?
at si Tito Chris, nakikitito na rin, Sir Chris, yes Sir Chris, and I heard they will invest additional 350
Itong si
million
Jacob,
for new content.
sobrang
Charot na ba?
tarantado sa bilyar.
So, abangan niyo yung
Hindi
first
kasi,
quarter pa lang
when
yun.
it comes to swerte, kasi minsan talaga, when it comes to
Nakainom na kami,
ikaw
wala
boils
kami,
down to
wala
what?
So,
Itong gagong to.
iaalis na namin ang follow-up series, Daryl Llanos.
Sabi lang to.
Marami silang linya. So, thank you Sir Chris, Sir Jack for investing in Bitsy Play, for investing in Filipino talent. So, we hope to tell more stories. See Kelsey from the United States
Kaya
is
tanggalin
here.
mo sa kingdom, ha?
Casey. So, we're gonna work with the
Ito,
project.
si
So,
Kingdom, with sila.
baka Sir Chris, makapagpili na sila natin.
Siya yung nanay na marunong kumita ng mga tao.
Also, I would also like to
Bodyguard
say
na
thank you
natin.
to our tech team. I would also
All around, all around.
share to everyone that BCK, our tech team, is actually from
Stunt director niya doon.
Dumaguete City. So, the company is, the roots of the
Nakatrabaho
company
na
is
si
from the
Erwin
Negros
Tablet.
Island. They're here with us. Let's give them a round of applause.
For what day?
Without our tech team and the people behind. Stand up, you guys. Without them, we won't have BCK. Please, give them a big round of applause. It's our tech team from Negros. Yes. Ayun, so, Dave?
Alright, so thank you so much again. Like we said a while ago, this is a very small startup that we started out of passion. As you see, we are all passionate, really starting from the grassroots. We want to make everything in-house. No? So anyone who wants to collaborate with us, and thank you also for coming in, our partners, the media, the agencies, the directors, producers. Without you guys, we're surprised we're more than 150, I think, today. Thank you so much for making time. It's not even a weekend. So sobrang salamat po. And hopefully, you share this with your friends. BitsyPlay.com. It's available in Maya and Gcash soon. And yeah, spread this out, post all you want. And hope you have a really, really good evening and hope you enjoyed the night today. Thank you very much, everyone.
Yay! Ayan, picture po muna tayo together with our guests and audience na natin dito. Pag ganito po yung, sige, ganyan po muna, kayo po muna. Yan, picture! Smile!